Hi guys, hope you are doing well. Today our new topic is how to run a Python program in Windows. It's very easy, it's very interesting, and I hope you will learn how to run Python program in Windows in 4 or 5 easy steps. I hope you will like this video. So if you did not subscribe to my channel, welcome to my YouTube channel Farhad Lead Collection. Just go and subscribe, like and share with your friends. So how you can use Python program in Windows. You can use the Windows default command prompt to run the Python program in Windows. To open CMD command prompt, you can type CMD on run or search CMD in Windows Start. It's very easy. I will show you practically how to run this. So hope you will like this. So put the press button CMD right here CMD. Okay, here CMD command prompt is open as you are seeing on your screen. So its command prompt is open. So after that, what is the next step? Once you open the command, you can see a screen like, okay, screen is visible to us. It's very good. You can type Python command to check whether Python is installed or not, and if it is not installed, you can check our install Python page to install Python on your respected operating system. So let me try either Python is installed on my system or not. So it's very simple, it's very easy. You can do this. Python is installed on my system. Okay, I type it. Okay, I type it and it's successfully showing here. Okay, it's successfully showing here. Okay, so it's very easy and very interesting. Okay, so you can type the below code to execute the Python program. Okay, what is the code? Let me show you the code. You can type the below code to execute. Okay, this is the code. Okay, where I will write here. Okay, how to write? Print, just follow these steps. Okay, like whatever the mention here on the screen, in my presentation, hello world. So it's very easy. Okay, and then you will show it will be appear again. All Python program are stored in a py file. This is very important. Okay, in the next slide I will show you how Python programs are stored in p file. Okay, py is the extension for Python. So when we develop any Python program, it will be saved in .py format. To run a Python program, you can use the Python command followed by the file name with the Python extension. Okay, as you can see on my screen. Okay, Python program.py. Okay, we can use this, it will be easy for us. Okay, the output will be whatever you mention in this file, so it will be appear same on the screen. Okay, just go and type program.py, vi.program.py. In this file you can mention hello world, welcome to my YouTube channel. Whatever you will mention, you will mention the clear format, the clear syntax, like as I mentioned this, print hello world. Okay, so you will also mention this and you will see. And after that what you will do, just I will exit from here. Okay, I am going I exit from Python. And after that what you will do, just you will do, let's suppose if your program is save on downloads, so you will go there. Here we have Python, because I already make the separate folder for Python. So let's go there and see what kind of program we have. Okay, let me clear the screen. Okay, and okay, so these are my files which are saved in this folder, where you can see how to run python file in command prompt, okay, in windows, okay. So these are my file names. You can type here any file name and you will see the result accordingly whatever the mention inside this. Let's suppose if I am typing this welcome to my welcome program, okay. So in this in this file we have print hello welcome to my youtube channel, so it will be appear as it is, okay. So it's very simple, it's very easy. That will be whatever inside the file, so you will be see accordingly, okay. It's very easy. Hello world using python. Just to give you a little excitement about python, I am going to give you a small conventional python hello world program. You can try it using demo link, okay. Here is a demo link, so I will go to the python again and I will mention how I will mention. First we will see hello python, okay. So we will type as it is, which is mentioned in our presentation, print hello python, okay. So it will be appear as it is, okay, hello python, okay. So it's very easy, it's very interesting, so don't worry about anything. Python is very simple and very easy programming language. Conclusion: overall, Python is top programming language that allows it to be both dynamic and effective, making it the language of choice today. This is all about our today presentation. If you have any question, you can ask question in the comments. If you did not subscribe to my channel, so you can go and subscribe to my channel. This was end of how to run Python program in Windows in 2022. Thank you for your attention. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and please comments on this video if it helped you or not. So like, comment, share, and turn on bell notification for the new videos. Once again, thank you so much. Here you go with my channel name, background, Farhad lead collection. Here is my channel name. So if you want to see videos related to Microsoft BI, so you can also visit to this video. If you see if you want to see interesting effects about Python programming language, so you can also watch this video. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bundle of thanks.